The Alliance for Youth has been a part of North Central Montana for 35 years. Started by a group of concerned citizens who wanted to address underage drinking, it has grown to help support and create healthy youth and family development. The nonprofit has now embarked on a new project that is needed in the community now more than ever.
We've just been kind of that backbone support within the community.
Through partnerships with other organizations, the Alliance for Youth has helped young people like Dylan Zybro, who'd been kicked out of his house, and John Brady, who was homeless.
Well, I'm trying to get enrolled for a tribal ID, and so they're helping with that.
So really whatever they need me to do, first and foremost, I'm here for the kids, but beyond that I help with whatever.
The Alliance's latest endeavor is the Youth Resource Center, an idea 15 years in the making that became reality when the pastor of Victory Church called Executive Director Christy Ponte Stroop out of the blue.
We have this building, what could you use it for? And honestly, I started to cry.
The 16,000 square foot building is sorely needed.
There are 600 kids in foster care in Cascade County. That's twice the state average in Montana. There are 475 kids that are homeless at some point during the year.
Lisa Beavers, Director of Operations, who's in charge of the center's volunteers, is amazed by the community's support.
We had one teacher that initiated a sock drive at East Junior High. I have one lady that brings frozen pizzas every week. That's just her thing.
Access to the center includes basic services like laundry, showers, and the food pantry. Wi-Fi and computer access are also available. The 13 to 20-year-olds who use the center also learn life skills tailor-made for modern times.
We're going to do some sewing. They're going to make their own masks. They're going to tie-dye them.
As the center grows, it plans to add more services, including a health and dental clinic and mental health counseling.
Every dollar that you give, we leverage it by partnering with folks to get the most services for the most youth that we possibly can.
To get there, the nonprofit still needs to raise considerable money.
To own the building, we need an additional $350,000, but to get to a sustainability aspect, we wanted to get to $3 million.
It may sound like a lot, but for people like Dylan and John and hundreds of other kids, the payoff could be priceless.
I've had people come and say, "Oh, it's so nice that you're helping those people." Well, those people are in every family. Those people have struggles with mental health issues, with substance abuse.
At the age of 18, 19, when you're struggling into adulthood, that's also a difficult thing.
If I knew this was here when I was homeless, then I wouldn't have struggled as bad.
And coming up tomorrow, we'll learn more about how the Youth Resource Center's collaboration with other nonprofits has helped Dylan and John in their journey.